Side hustles are a really fantastic way to make an extra income on the side. But to make money, you have to understand the philosophy of money. The philosophy of money simply means that money is equivalent to value. Now, value varies for everything. You get money when you provide value. So, whenever you start a service, try to get value for the money that the people are giving you. For example, when you buy a coffee for, let's say, $3, you're valuing that coffee at $3. It means that the coffee is worth $3. So, when you start a service, let's say you start an online business in which you are selling online products. There is no shame in asking or demanding more money, but before doing that, you have to ask yourself, is that price really worth the service or product that you're giving to the customer? If yes, then go for it. If no, then you have to work on to make your service better. The philosophy of side hustles. The philosophy of side hustles simply means that you do something on the side of either your job, study, or anything that earns you an extra income. There is a little difference in side hustles and a part-time job. A part-time job requires you to be in a defined time, so there is a time constraint, whereas you can do side hustles wherever you're free or you have time. Part-time job often don't feel like productive or creative in a sense, but the side hustle is that you don't feel the burden of doing that. You feel yourself educated, engaged in a creative side. You just don't feel the burden of that like you are doing it. Now let's discuss the prerequisites. There are some prerequisites that are compulsory if you want to succeed in your side hustles, and that are number one, patience. Patience is required when you start something from scratch, such as learning a new skill or starting an online service or whatever. This is not a game of days or months, but a game of patience. Number two, consistency. Consistency is the key to success. You just have to be consistent in your process and not become lazy, because when you are consistent, you become more efficient and productive that will provide value to the customers. And number three, passion. A man without passion is poison. You have to show passion in your work, and passion not only for money but for a better value and service than others. When you strive to provide better value, you always try to find ways to make your work more efficient. And the last but definitely not the least, commitment. You have to be committed to the process, and that will help you in getting a long way further. If you are fulfilled with all these prerequisites and mindset, you can succeed in any of these. So here are a list of 5 best side hustles to start right now. Number 1, thumbnail designing. Thumbnail designers are all in demand, as you all know. YouTube is already trending, and many YouTubers are in demand of a thumbnail designer to make their videos a more fancy look and make their videos stand out. For thumbnail designing, you can learn Photoshop, Canva, and some online solution to Photoshop is a photop.com. Thumbnail designing is a subsidiary of graphic designing. So when you are learning thumbnail designing, you are actually learning graphic designing. Just to get started, what you can do is you can take an example of some YouTubers and make a different and attractive looking thumbnail of videos. At least make 2 thumbnails as a sample and email them. And email to many YouTubers so you have as much chance as possible to get hired. You can easily learn thumbnail designing in 1 to 2 months. All the essentials and some advanced from YouTube and many paid courses out there. Make an account on LinkedIn and connect with people there as well. LinkedIn is a huge platform for skilled people. Number 2, video editing. This is something that I really personally like. You can edit videos for YouTubers, TikTokers, influencers, and for businesses. Video editing almost have the same format as thumbnail designing. You can work as a freelancer, whether you are editing for videos for an influencer or edit videos for businesses. The scope is very big, and there are many editors out there, but very less of them are problem solvers. Try to be a problem solver. Even if you don't work as a freelancer, you can make your own YouTube channel and work as a content creator. Everyone needs an editor. Learn new effects, transitions, color grading, add impact with graphics. To get hired, what you can do is, again, edit a video of an influencer or a YouTuber that you like and make it more attractive and try to provide value. Make at least 1 to 2 minutes edited video and again make 2 videos and email them. You can learn basic editing in 2 to 3 months. With learning, practice your skills as well. Again, make an account on LinkedIn and showcase your best work to wrap up some clients from LinkedIn as well. Pro tip, I would recommend that you learn video editing, graphic designing, so that you have a much larger impact than a person that only knows one of them, and you would more likely to get hired. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is considered to be one of the most easiest way to make money in the internet world if you have the right audience. In affiliate marketing, you are associated with a full affiliate program, and that program pays you for your marketing. Simply, you just associate yourself with an affiliate program such as Amazon's affiliate program or ClickBank's affiliate program or any other program, and promote their products and generate sales through your audience. You are being paid for the sales that are coming from your affiliate links. Now, affiliate income varies. Amazon pays anywhere from 2 to 9% affiliate income on products and more on products made by Amazon. ClickBank pays so much more than Amazon. Sometimes you get 50% of the sales you generate from your side. But for this you have to make a website, or you can even promote them or through your YouTube videos or any other way, but you need an audience for that. You can get some tricks to get better in affiliate marketing in YouTube. Otherwise, it is not a difficult hustle, to be honest. Number 4, Starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be sometimes one of the most stressful and most often the creative things to do. As you know, the future is of YouTubers, and YouTube is not a small field. It involves video editing, graphic designing, script writing, filming, and so much more, which can really make you knowledgeable about so many things. You can learn content creation, video editing, graphic designing, light setup, camera setup, etc. Probably YouTube channel is the least profitable in the next few months, but definitely the best hustle in the long run. To start, just discover your niche, the thing you're interested in, make videos about that niche, be consistent, be patient, things compound, so will your hard work. People are turning to YouTube, and this is the right time to make your own YouTube channel as well. Number 5, content writing. Content writing is also a really underrated thing and has a huge potential to make a difference in your life. Content writing is basically simple writing of content where you write letters, essays, or scripts or articles, etc. Content writing is so vast that you can even write content for your own website, for clients, and work as a freelancer. Write content for sites like WriterBay, WriterPreek, etc., where they pay a handsome amount. You can write content for influencers, businesses, etc. Website owners need a talented content writer to write content for their site, so their site may get ranked in Google search and hopefully they get an audience. Content writing awakens your imagination and makes you a creative thinker. It is not that difficult to write content and learn writing content. You just have to learn about appropriate tools such as AI tools can really help you to lessen your work as a writer and get vast writing ideas from. So that is pretty much it for side hustles. If you found the video informative, like the video, and if you want more videos like these, tell me in the comment section. Subscribe for more finance, tech, and education videos.